This is a BKS on loan to me from Lady Locks. It might be a Detect 3, something like that. I think that's what that wording is. To try to get into it, I'm going to use Law Locks Tools 39 thousandths top of the keyway. And I'm going to start out with a multi-pick standard hook in 23 thousandths. So 1, 2, 3, and it goes into a false set. Now I'm going to switch to the Jimmy Long's deep hook in 19 thousandths. So let me make sure I'm on pin 1 here. That's just slipping off. That's 1. Come on, I'm just slipping off of it. There's 1. So 2 set, 3 set. Now, make sure I'm on pin 4. Might have set pin 4. And now I just should have. Maybe I dropped pin 1. Maybe I dropped pin 1. So nothing. 1, 2, 3. Pin 4. And then pin 4 opened it. Yeah, I dropped pin 4 when I set pin 5. But that is the BKS on loan from Lady Locks.